Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making one of my favorite cakes, and it is a crowd pleaser. Trust me on this. It is a pineapple upside down bundt cake. And we're going to use this with cake mix, so it's even easier than you think. The hardest part is this part, where you are going to make sure that your bundt pan will not stick to your cake, that it releases beautifully. So make sure it is generously buttered and floured. Then we're going to add the melted butter on the bottom and our brown sugar, just like you would any other pineapple upside down cake, except we're doing it in the bottom of the ridges of our bundt pan. And then I use a half of each of my pineapple rings and I place them in the ridges inside. You can put them in between some of the ridges so that you have enough pineapple in there for your presentation. The way that I like to do this is lots and lots of pineapple and lots of these cherries, because let's be honest, the cherries are the best part of this cake. And yeah, if you think I like this cake, you would be right. I even have a story to tell about my son that you would just love. Anyway, then don't follow the boxed instructions. Follow my instructions with the pineapple juice, your eggs, and your oil. Mix this up until it's smooth. Remember, we don't want to overmix our cake mix because that makes a dense cake. Then you're going to pour the cake batter over your, I know, and you're going to think that they're going to move, but they're pretty solidly in place. So pour that in over the pineapple and the cherries and bake at 350 degrees. As you see here, you want the top of the cake to spring back to your touch. That's one of the easiest ways to make sure it's done. You're going to let it cool, and then you'll invert it and leave it on a plate that you're going to present it on. Pop your bundt pan off and let the cake cool. Don't hit the camera. Once you're ready to serve it, slice it up. This cake is I mean, seriously, take it everywhere. Your work parties, your kids' parties at school, everyone loves this cake, and it's fabulous even for, I said fabulous, it's even for the holidays. I know that people tell me all the time they make this for Easter. So hint, hint, with Easter around the corner, this is something everyone's gonna love. It's a perfectly tender and moist cake, and I know that you're going to love this cake too. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to come back because I have so many recipes I'm going to share with y'all. And one of those, if you're gearing up for Easter, is my mini egg bundt cake, which is filled in the tunnel with lots of Cadbury mini eggs. It's another easy cake mix cake I know you're going to love too, and the kids will for sure.